Hi, welcome back Lego fans from me and Yoda. So today I'm going to carry on with my typewriter build and I'm going to get up to stage 47, so still a long way to go. And this is what it's going to end up looking like at the end of this stage. Okay, so there are quite a few repetitive parts in this section of the build, so you just have to be really careful not to get too complacent and to just double check the pieces that you're adding. I always make sure that I lay out the pieces for that particular page before I get started, so that then I can spot if there's a piece still left on my board that I haven't added. I can just double check in the picture, because there are a few little sneaky areas on the pictures where you could just miss out a little piece, like I did today. I missed out one of these little pieces at one point. And do be careful, because there are grey ones of these and then similar green ones, so it's the grey ones that you need. You'll see it was this little piece here at one point that I forgot to add, because it's not on every stage. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to seeing you again for the next section next time.